Hip-hop and reggae, more connected than you think. Reggae's influence on hip-hop begins with the sound system culture of Jamaica. In the 1960s and 70s, Jamaican DJs would toast or rap over instrumental tracks, hyping up the crowd and setting the stage for what we now know as rapping. This art form directly inspired early hip-hop, where the DJ became the master of ceremonies, much like in reggae. One of the most influential figures in this dark cultural exchange was DJ Kool Herc, a Jamaican immigrant. Herc brought with him the techniques he learned from Jamaican sound systems, including the concept of the break. He extended instrumental breaks during parties, allowing dancers to showcase their moves, and in doing so, laid the foundation for modern hip-hop. The connection didn't stop there. Over the years, reggae's signature rhythms and melodies became a rich source of inspiration for hip-hop producers. Artists from Jay-Z to Nas have sampled reggae tracks in their music, blending the two genres into something fresh.
Out in the street, they call it murder.
Damian Marley's Welcome to Jamrock is a perfect example of reggae and hip-hop merging into a global sound, bridging the gap between these two powerful musical cultures. Reggae to hip-hop, the connection continues here on Reggae Hour. Do not forget to like, follow, and subscribe, and share us to your family and friends.